Friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI tutorial series for absolute beginners. One of the most important confusion or topic I would say for a lot of young people or people who are just starting with AI is we already had RPA, right? Robotics process automation. What exactly is AI agent and how is it different? Right? Very important question. Fundamentally, they both look same. Okay, but there is a lot of primitive differences between both these approaches. So in this episode, I'm going to cover all those things to help you understand what exactly is the difference between RPA versus an AI agent. Let's get started. Before we start with the comparison, let me quickly give you an overview of what exactly is a RPA, which is robotic process automation. RPA is a technology that automates repetitive rule-based tasks using software bots. It mimics human actions like clicking, typing, copying, pasting, etc. It works best when the data is structured and clearly defined workflows. Oftentimes, you can see that large enterprises will use it to automate data entry, invoice processing, tax PDF reading, calculating those things, report generation, form submissions, etc. It operates on predefined scripts. It doesn't learn or adapt with manual updates. UiPath is one of the example of RPA tool. There Automation Anywhere is another. These tools helps you record a flow, basically a workflow, where you record the clicks, typing, copying, etc. And then it will just rerun on a given data set. That's what RPA means. So what exactly is an AI agent? AI agent is an intelligent software system that can perceive, reason, and act autonomously to achieve goals. It uses machine learning, natural language processing, and decision making algorithms to understand and act intelligently. The biggest difference between AI agent and RPA is that AI agent can handle unstructured or dynamic data in any form. It can be a flat text file, CSV, PDF, can be any format, whereas RPA agent needs a structured data. An AI agent can learn based on the data that keep providing, so it will learn and improve, whereas RPA script will run with what is predefined. It acts proactively based on context, user intent, and environment. That being said, now let's go into the key differences. So RPA is a rule-based automation where you define the rules, you define the workflows, you define the script. Whereas an AI agent is intelligent, adaptive automation, which means it will learn based on the data sets it's been provided. RPA, there is no machine learning as such. It just follows the script that is predefined. AI agent will learn and improve from experience. For RPA to work, it needs a particular structured data. It can only work with structured data. Whereas AI agent can handle both structured as well as unstructured data. Decision making, RPA executes fixed logic, whereas AI agent can make context aware self decisions. Interaction, RPA works silently in the background. Think of it like a predefined batch job which is running in the background, whereas an AI agent can interact directly with the system, an agent, or any third party user or a API. Integration, RPA has system specific scripts, whereas an AI agent can be integrated with an API driven, integrates with dynamic ecosystems. It has flexibility wise, RPA is limited, it fails with unexpected changes, whereas AI agent is more adaptive and responsive to the new data set or the patterns that it will come across. Finally, some of the use cases, like I said, invoice, payroll processing, data migration between systems, form filling, report generation, order processing, all this data which is predefined in structure can be automated, or rather we can write a script to automate it. That's what is RPA. Whereas an AI agent is a smart chatbot, can be a virtual assistant, can be a coding assistant tool, can be code completion tool. It has predictive analytics. It has automated decision making in business workflows. What is the benefits of combining RPA and AI agents? Now, if you want to achieve hyper automation, let's say you merge RPA's precision script with AI's intelligence, that will become your hyper automation. You can achieve an end-to-end automation which handles both structured and unstructured tasks or data. It can help you make improved decisions, which means AI can add reasoning to your RPA workflows. Better user experience, agents can communicate naturally in natural language, human-like language with users. Its scalable efficiency automates complex workflows across multiple departments. I hope now the topic is clear. RPA versus AI agent. Very important, very basic one. But a lot of times when you start learning, reading about AI agents, you might start thinking that, oh, this is similar to RPA. But thanks to now, after this episode, I'm sure your doubts will be cleared. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I'll see you in the next one. Please do hit that like button, share button and subscribe button to keep me encouraged and also to support this channel. Thank you.